Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the clip type and damage: bent tab, broken spring, or worn edge. Use needle nose pliers and a magnifier to inspect. This tells you whether to reshape, reinforce, or replace. Once done, position the part on a stable block to prevent movement and put on gloves and eye protection so you can work safely and precisely. Make sure to prioritize retaining original shape. Preserving mating surfaces prevents fit issues later. You carefully reshape the clip by bending a little at a time. Sudden force causes new fractures. Use needle nose pliers for fine bends and a small hammer on a soft punch for broader curves. File burrs and contact faces to restore flush mating. This reduces stress concentrations that cause refailure. If there's a crack, reinforce with low-temperature solder or thin metal epoxy. Choose method based on alloy and heat sensitivity. Once aligned, periodically test fit and adjust until the clip seats smoothly. You complete the repair by reassembling the parts and testing the clip under normal load. Listen and feel for secure engagement. If it still slips, add a thin shim or a small piece of heat shrink tubing to increase friction without changing geometry. Make sure to avoid over-tightening fasteners that can re-stress the clip. If you notice persistent deformation, cracking, or metal fatigue, replace the clip. Repairing is temporary in those cases. Troubleshooting tip: if fit changes after a few cycles, swap to a new clip immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.